Hello, dear friends. Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you what to do if your iPhone does not work vibration. For example, during an alarm or a call, the vibration doesn't work and you want to fix it. How to do this? Very simple. To do this, we go into the settings of our iPhone. We go a little lower and find the item Accessibility. We click on the item Touch and go down. Then we find and click on the item Prevent Lock to End Call. And if this checkbox is not enabled, turn it on. After that, the vibration will work. If we turn off this item, vibration will not work. It will work in any application. If this method didn't work, then your phone is broken and you need to take it to a repair shop. Here's an easy way to do it. This was the Phone Support Channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.